Here we are in French Quarter. We are on the second floor. Very beautiful room. It has queen size beds. We have our own dresser. They've got a coffee machine, large flat screen TV, nice sitting area, and they've even done a little Mickey on the table. Pretty great view out the window of a parking lot. Okay, so our view is a parking lot, but we're okay with that. It's still gonna be nice. We're at Disney. They have nice laminate floor coverings. The bathroom is very spacious. Got a double bowl vanity. Got the little mirror there for women when they're doing their hair and makeup. Large mirror. Of course, they always have the iron and ironing board. I don't know of anybody who irons anymore, but if you are somebody who wants to iron, it's available. There's a nice safe back here in order to store your belongings, and they even have a pull cover here so that when you need privacy getting around in the morning, all you have to do is pull that. You got a little bit of privacy. The actual bathroom itself, very large, nice, spacious, very clean. Disney does a meticulous job cleaning always. And we are opting for doing our own making of the beds. And then they give us a $10 discount off of our bill to use however we choose. And if you choose that option, then all you have to do is just ask for additional towels, wash rags, any sort of toiletries that you might run out of. But it's a nice option if you don't necessarily want somebody in your room. But this is French Quarter, second floor, 2 queen beds. Very, very beautiful. Check-in was not smooth. 100% not smooth. Definitely not Disney style. But at least we finally got our room after about 2 hours. And here is the evacuation route. And I hope this is helpful to you.